धर्म जाति के अंतर को छोड़ो, हाथ मिलाओ, भारत को जोड़ो। 31st October, a landmarking day for every Indian. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was destined to take birth. The highest tribute to the state was declaration of his birthday as National Unity Day by the government in 2014. We are fortunate enough to celebrate this auspicious day to epitomize his memory. Now I would like to invite Principal Sir to light the lamp and garland the portrait to have a devotion and tribute to this immortal personality. Blessed is the land where valiant sons land. Let us know more about this.
Blessed is the land where violent sons land. Wide Mountbatten plan, princely states scattered, and for unifying them, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is early remembered. A very fine and cheerful good morning to everyone listening to me. A dauntless and defiant leader, master of irony and repartee, Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel, better known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or simply Sardar Patel, was born on 31st October 1875 at Nadiad of Gujarat to Jhaverbhai Patel and Ladbai. His childhood was spent away through the books at the ancestral fields of Karamsad. He completed his middle school at Karamsad and for high schooling went to Nadiad in Gujarat. Even as a young boy, Vallabhbhai is said to have shown the attributes or the qualities of organization and leadership which marked the way for his future. He was a lawyer by profession who played a very significant role in Bardoli Satyagraha. He was a true legend, a great patriot and a great leader who is also renowned as national integrationist because he was the merger of 562 princely states with the Indian Union and thereby paved the way for the Republic of India. He later became the first Home Minister of India, to which we all admire the most. Salute to this great soul for bringing us together and unifying us in the great bond of unity. Wishing you a happy Unity Day. Thank you.
India is a lotus with elegance. All the states are her petals. India, bad princely state, is a bird without feather. The Herculean task of unification is of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. On the eve of National Unity Day, I, Tanman, here want to share my views on topic National Unity Day. The post-independent year with so many diversity posed a great threat to integrity and unity of India. The choices of more than 500 princely states made the situation very complicated. At that time, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel worked tirelessly and told the princely state is convincing India to join with him, and he was succeeded in achieving his objective. The credit of merging of a large number of princely states goes slowly to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, for which he was called Iron Man of India, and we should follow his footprints because when the motive is for destruction, unity is very dangerous, and our unity is our strength and diversity is our power. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, let's just bring this program to the end. It's the time for oath-taking ceremony. I would like to request the people present to take their position for the oath and pledge to save the nation with full dedication to uphold the integrity and unity of the nation.
That I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation, and also strive hard to spread this message among my fellow countrymen. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to make my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country.
United we stand, divided we fall. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was not only a versatile personality but was also a freedom fighter and a great nationalist. He had tirelessly worked to bring 565 princely states under one roof, that is, the Mother India. Here is a brief sketch of his personality through this video. Hope you enjoy till the end. We are fortunate enough to have Mr. P.K. Panda sir, our school principal, who is the leading light of our school. His positive attitude and dedication is taking our school towards greater heights. I would like to express my sincere thanks to him. I would also like to thank our teachers for their great presence and the students who have participated in the program and made it more special. I also immensely thanks the supporting staff. Once again, thank you everyone.